Alright, are you looking for a Jaguar? Here's a 1970 Series 2 E-Type. 4.2 liter, 4-speed manual. Fully restored, originally black on black. It's done up black on black. Great driving car, plenty of power. Check it out. E-Type. 4.2 liter, 6-cylinder, 4-speed manual. Beautifully restored car, black with black. Originally a black car as well. Super nicely done car. Everything seems to work so far in driving it. We'll go through functionality and verify everything. Then we'll go down the highway with it. Showing 81,888 miles. I do not know if we noted the miles before restoration or any of that work. There's a production record trace certificate. We got exterior color, black with black interior. Original distributor, British Leyland, New York. Date of dispatch, 14 of September 1970. Fixed head coupe, left-hand drive. Series 2 Jaguar E-Type, 4.2 liter. And we had this certificate made, we ordered it August 12th, 2025. A couple service manuals. And a book on just all the enduring legend of Jaguar. Wanted to make note, our shop did do some work when this car came in. They fixed the tach, got all lights working, replaced the water pump, air filter, oil change, coolant temp sensor fixed, E-fans wired correctly to come on with temperature, new set of tires, got red lines, and a little bit of exhaust repair to fix an exhaust leak. So that's what we've done. Go left to right, then we'll go for a drive here. Got signals, left, right. This is headlamp dip. Let's see, we got AC control here on. That pulls it out, pushes it out of the vents. And that works. That's high and back to off. Cooler is that way. Warmer is to the left. Not that I'll be able to tell the difference, as it is, you know, single digits out here today. Should be your defrost off. Cold air. Push in for hot. In for on. Small amount of air moving up here. Hazards. That works. Map light. I think that would be this light. Interior light. Panel dim light. High and low, it looks like. Side lights, park lights, headlights, those all work. Wipers, they work. There's constant fast, constant slow, and off. Let me tuck away just right. Washer, you can hear it. Don't see any liquid. Fan, fast, slow. You can hear it crank up to high. It was on slow. Rear window. I do not know. There is no rear wiper or anything like that. So I wonder if that's a defrost of some kind. We are about partway choked. It's just cold. Cold-blooded car here. So there's 1, 2, 3 positions. And then run is all the way in. Light goes off. We'll leave it there, see how it runs this morning. Radio, FM, AM. Does work. Up some static. I'm gonna leave it there. See if it tunes in as we drive. Cigarette lighter doesn't look used. Very nice. Ashtray. A little bit of corrosion. Extra knob in there. Glove box or a console box here. Good shape. Glove box. It is empty. Very nice. Has a key. Should work with our key here. 1 key. That's what we got. Alright, let's go through the gears here. Brake is off. Light is on. I do want the shop to get that off if we can. Reverse, left, and down. There's a detent. Accelerator linkage also seems to be a little sticky. I'm sure this car does not have very much drive time on it since restoration. Throttle linkage. Very cool motor. Awesome induction, induction intake setup. Day and night mode works on the mirror. It's mounted up to the windshield nicely. Visors, good shape. Stay up. That's second. See, it hangs. Third. Felt better. Alright. Motoring along, right about 65 miles an hour. A little bit of steering wheel shake. Very comfortable. Good seating position. Seat can go back about another 1.5 inches or 2 inches. I think I am leaned back almost as far as you can. Good amount of headroom still. I'm 5'5". Transmission sounds good. Clutch feels good. Accelerator linkage does give you a little bit of a headache right away, but I'm hoping we can remedy that. Rearview mirror, perfect, good view. Staying in third. All gauges are good. Volts are about 14, 40 pounds of oil pressure. Does not look like the clock is working. Temperature gauge reading normal. Fuel gauge showing just about full. Tach's working, speedometer's working, odometer's working. For Smith gauges, that's good. Steering feels nice. Got a plaque here, restored for Jerry Kosevich. There's an H at the end there. Kosevich. You know, a car like this might drive better with a little attitude. I know some of the other British cars I've driven, you almost want to, be mean to it, mad, something like that. high gear, pushing 70 down the hill. Showing 55 on the gauge, showing 53 over here. Almost really no wind noise. I do feel a tiny bit of or hear a tiny bit over here. I don't feel anything, but really good sealed up car. Cruises right along. 2400 RPM, 60, almost 70 miles an hour. Again, all gauges are reading great. Lay into the carburetors a little bit. $75. I like the straight six motor, you know, it's a little more refined feeling. It's a long running motor, isn't it? Didn't they use these for a lot of cars? Long hood's not really an issue. Some people say it's hard to get used to. You're looking right at it, I mean, you're not gonna miss it. Seats are comfortable. Brakes come in even. Steering wheel shake, as I mentioned, but even braking. Here's from second. Engine runs great. No unusual suspension noises, everything seems to be working well. Alright, you guys, check it out. If you're looking for a Series 2 Jaguar E-Type, this is a good one. Black on black, fully restored. Look through all the photos, leave a comment with your questions. I'll get back to you. Then if you're on YouTube seeing this, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. It all helps our channel. Watch another video if you have the time, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.